Greetings, Container Gardening Grow family. Just a quick update on our passion flower vine and the one passion fruit that developed on our vine that is now huge at this point and rapidly approaching harvest ready state. Our vine is now well over 7 feet tall. Again, we're currently growing it in a 3-gallon container here. We're about to pot our passion flower vine into about a 20-gallon container here momentarily. Won't be showing you guys that in this video. However, we will show you what it looks like up potted in our next update on this particular vine here. At any rate, I'm going to raise this camera up and show you guys what our passion flower vine is currently looking like and the one passion fruit that is currently formed on our passion flower vine. Now, for those of you who are just joining us here, we're growing the yellow variety of passion fruit here, and again, this thing is huge here at this point on our vine. Once the passion fruit sets on your vine, they develop quite rapidly to the full size. Although it takes them several weeks to actually ripen once they set fruit on your vine. But take a look at this. Again, our now 7-foot passion fruit vine, hosting our one yellow passion fruit. And that thing huge, already beginning to turn yellow for us here at the More You Grow Garden. And still, family, still continually pumping out blossom after blossom here in rapid succession in this 3-gallon. As you guys can see, our vine has surpassed our stake here, and that's one of the reasons we're going to be potting today and placing it in its permanent location here at the More You Grow Container Gardening. And again, we'll show you guys where we locate this passion flower vine at and what it looks like potted into its new 15-gallon container in our next update. Thanks for watching, and if you are watching this video on our passion flower vine and you're not already subscribed to the More You Grow Container Gardening, please take a moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks for watching.